Good afternoon, everybody. I got AVGO, knowing it as Broadcom. I got a 269, a 268. You could see that big bar. They just reported these quarterly earnings right now, here and now, and you can see as we continue to get that slam it down. And the people that bought the 270 puts out of the money are making money, that they are. So we don't know what the conference call is going to be. We just know one thing on this 15-minute after hours chart. One thing that we're going to say what the low was. That low right here is 265, and we're printing at 265.20 right here. So I'm going to go find out some information, and this here is a big ass trade, but we got to get our facts and see if they bounce it off the bottom. That's the knee jerk reaction. Broadcom, all right, part of the problem is they lower fiscal 19 revs to 22.5 billion versus the 24.33 billion. That was a consensus estimate, and they're going to raise their capex. So Q2 5.21 versus the 518, which was the consensus. Revs are 5.52 billion versus 5.7 billion S&P consensus. That's a big miss on the rev. So at least we're getting that knee jerk, and we knew it was going to happen. I mean, even Honey Bunny was saying it. And this is a good thing about the earnings cycle. So they're going to get tortured. People don't like the report. This is live and after hours. I'm going to go ahead and take a look around. You can see the price. You can't sit here and tell me you don't see the price. Another semiconductor. That means the other stocks in the sector are going to go down. They did not get the revenue side. So we know now that the low was 263. The low was 263 now. It was 263 down here on this wick that you can see. And right now we're printing 265s. So let me find out, see if I can find out any more what information on 6/13/2019 at 1:18 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Here we go right now. We're printing at $262. And like our people told us that they were going to miss. And anything that misses these revs, and I'm going to bring up the Philadelphia SOX index. This is in the semiconductor, and we know it has to go lower, and it's tanking. The last print was 281.61. You're down here right now on this 15-minute bar. Yes, we are, and it is live. That low is 261 that just got hit a minute ago. They missed on the revenues. We're going to start shorting other stocks in the semiconductor index, and I will be doing a chart with it, and we will take a look at the rest of them. They are going to gap down, period. And we have a $20 move going lower, and it's 262 right now. We continue to go lower, and we will conclude the fact that they missed everything. And stay tuned for the semiconductor index and stocks in that semiconductor index. All right. One of the things that we want to highlight now that AVGO is tanking in the semiconductor, I have a daily chart right here on the index in the SOX that I'm going to pull up here in a second for you. But we're right down here now, and we're at 261.50, and there's that big sell down. Now we're going to pull up the sector so you will understand why we're going to short stocks in the sector. All right, I have the Philadelphia SOX index. That's the one index that AVGO is in, and they're getting slaughtered. We already had a problem. When we had a bull market rally, semis lead the way. But now semis have been leading the way and going down. They had this bounce on this daily chart along with the broader market, And now we're going to be below the 100-day moving average, which is that orange line right there, and that's at 1394. That means that other stocks in this sector are going to get sold down because it's sector related, is what it is. Now, for the people that want to know what is in this sector, this is that daily chart, SOX, and these are all the stocks. And hopefully it's showing in the video. If not, well, I apologize. It's not my fault. But here it is, right here. And these are the stocks that are going to go down tomorrow, and we're going to trade those. And that's the way it's going to be. So, enjoy the setup.